Pating Reviews presents Air Fryer EVERUS 1700 watts hot air fryer. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. Great product. It is easier to operate than the oven, saving time and effort. In the afternoon, I roasted sesame balls and served them as a snack for 10 minutes. I didn't need to brush oil. The effect was very good. In my spare time, I baked French fries for my children so I didn't have to go out and buy healthier. Baking a toasted pizza is also a matter of minutes. It's too easy. I bought 2 fry pots before. When my friends saw me at home, they were taken away by their good friends. The best use of air fryers is oil-free. Moreover, it is not convenient to use fried foods at home. How to deal with it? And eating too greasy things will make people fat. Now there are more people who are overweight. I suggest to fry a small amount of things at home using an air fryer is a good choice. I definitely recommend this air fryer as it's amazing. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.